Now you creating wealth for your family. Now you got something to pass down. You know what I'm saying? You ain't just, working a job. You can't pass a job down. You can't say, yeah, I'm gonna say this job for my kids. When he turned 30 or 25. They don't work like that, but you can pass this company down to him though. So that's kind of where I'm trying to spark,
Daddy, what's a will?
Yeah.
Someday we'll all be free.
Take those monies and spread across families. My sister Hattie and little nephews, cousins, and TT. Married the rest of me for whatever she wants to do. She might start an institute. She might put poor kids in school. My stake in Rock Nation should go to you. Leave a piece for your siblings to give to their children too.
So like y'all were saying, whatever you believe is true. If you believe that your product is the stuff and it's top notch and it's adding value, then it's gonna add value, right? People gonna feel that. People gonna feel that energy. And then when you're a leader and you're confident, people follow you. We see a lot of times people follow leaders that take them down a rabbit hole. They're just taking all their money, but they're confident. Have that confidence, right? Because nobody will believe you if you don't, right? If you iffy, you gotta stand up here proud, like, look, I got this pen, it's the best pen ever. It's gonna write 10 words a minute while they sleep. You gotta sell it. We're gonna talk about education, right? Knowledge is power, right? Knowledge, education comes through other things than just reading, YouTube, Google. It comes from experience, right? The things we go through in life, that's education as well, right? You can learn, that's what they say, you can learn the hard way or the easy way. Make sure you're intentional with this college degree. If you gotta take some off classes that's not on your major to get something that you need to do on your entrepreneur side, do it now. Sometimes we think luck is about, oh, we did a great job. No, that was luck. That ain't gonna happen every time. You wanna make sure you're making calculated, educated decisions, right? Oh, one more time, right? If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Busy is not progress. Don't focus on a lot of things. Get narrow, get your vision narrow, have a niche, right? Real estate development is this big, right? My niche is real estate. My niche is commercial and mixed use development focused on small business. I got a niche.
Just to stay in place. Keep up the pace, baby, keep up
Y'all
the
all
pace.
got something in common, right? What is it, 6 degrees of separation, right? She might know somebody that you need on your team. He might know somebody that you need on your team. Communicate. Put that out there. Put that energy out there.
Black excellency, baby.
I hired a property manager. Now that I hired this property manager, I don't worry about it. I just get a phone call, I get a text. We did this, cool. I can focus on my strengths, which is operational excellence, right? My strengths is focusing on putting people in place to get things done, So you want to make sure, we always want to make sure our weaknesses are better. Like, yeah, I'm weak at this, but I need to get good at this. Stay weak at it. Stay weak at it and focus on whatever you good at. You know what I'm saying? Because you need expertise, right? We don't want jack of all trades. We don't. People don't really go for jack of all trades. People want people that's like, you're good at this and I want to hire you for this. Just start. You might have this A to Z vision, but it might stop at H. You got A, B, C, D, start. That goal ain't gonna be a straight line all the time. You might have it laid out A to Z, but sometimes you gotta go off. Then come back on. You gotta be able to have discernment and figure out what adds value to whatever you're trying to do. Like, I have a credibility packet where it shows us developing the whole house. Now I can take that packet to any company, any contractor, and say, look, I already got a proven concept already. Because I already took action and I already got some results. So results build some credibility. People get behind action, not words. You can sit up here and talk all day, right? We can sit up here and have, I've met with plenty of people where people just want to meet. Let's meet about this, meet about this. Put some action behind it, right? People get behind action, not words. And the more action you take, the more your success probability is going to increase, right? The first time you take some action, it might not hit the first time. That first idea might not be the one. We have these experiences that in our life that kind of make us entrepreneurs. Like me, I'm from Detroit and I've seen the chaos that happens in the housing market, right? Abandoned houses everywhere. I've seen my parents lose their house. So that kind of sparked something in me. Like, I don't want this ever happening again in my family. That made me an entrepreneur. Like, look, I'm gonna buy all the houses, and in my family, the house to live in, they can call me. You know what I'm saying? So that kind of made me an entrepreneur. So relying on those experiences, relying on that passion to really figure out, okay, what do I want to do as an entrepreneur? That's gonna be your why.
Yeah.
You know, and that's really what's most important. That's gonna be your why. Like your why is gonna wake you up every day.